the Omni 20 Plus portable charger. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a portable charger, the Omni 20 Plus by Omnicharge, which can be used for an assortment of electronic devices. I will go over specs, features, and then give a brief demonstration. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-A to USB-C cable, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. The Omni 20 Plus can power and charge a variety of devices from laptops, cameras, tablets, and phones, to name a few. It comes with a 20,000 mAh battery. It has an AC port with a 100 watt output, DC port with 100 watt output, two USB-A ports with 18 watt output, USB-C 60 watt out and 45 watt in, and a 10 watt wireless charger. And as shown on the bottom, you can get an idea of how many times it can charge a particular device. The charger is slim and has a matte, grippy feel to it all around. It is a bit on the larger side compared to some of the traditional power banks, but definitely compact and portable. You can see the branding on the sides and the display on the front. Taking a look at the front, you have the power button, OLED display, AC outlet and USB button, and the USB-A ports. On the right side, you have the DC and USB input/output. The left side, you have the AC outlet. And on the top, you have the wireless charger. The front has a bright display, and you can see the battery status indicator along with power draw, voltage, and temperature. You can also turn on and off the various inputs. The charger comes in at 4.8 by 5 by 1 inch. It weighs in at 596 grams. Here you can see the wireless charging feature at work with this iPhone. You can see the power draw on the display change. Now attaching an iPad using the USB-A port. And you'll also see the total draw for both devices on the display. The charger is versatile in my opinion. It's very portable and can power many of your electronic devices. The price point is a bit on the higher end, but with all the features, I feel it's worth it. So that is my review of the Omnicharge Omni 20 Plus. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.